Welcome to my channel Best GIS Tutorial, and today lecture I would like to show you how to download World Geological Maps zip file for free. So if you are new to my channel, then subscribe my channel and learn GIS from basics to advanced. All the basic courses are available in playlist. So first go to Google and search here World Geological Map zip file. After that, click on that link and wait for that. Here you can see that World Geological Maps. Now here you can see the Afghanistan World Geological Maps. For Africa, you can see the Arabian Peninsula. Now you can search your study area, your country, and you can download the zip file of your country of geological maps. Here you can see that the zip file of geology. Here Asia Pacific. Here you can see the generalized geology of Australia and New Zealand zip file. So let's suppose we search for our country. Here is the Bangladesh geological zip file, elevation map of Bangladesh and fault and tectonic contact of Bangladesh. Now go to here, and here is South Asia. So we download the geological map of South Asia. So click on that zip file and you will see that the map is downloading. The zip file geological map of that area is downloading, and now see the entire publication of South Asia. So click on that link here you will see this interface, the map showing geology, oil and gas field and geological province of South Asia. So check the documents report, click on that link. Here you can see that we download this data. Here you can see in PDF. You will also download that one for the abbreviation or the code which is here. So if I zoom this, these are the explanation of code. Let's suppose Q represent a quaternary sediment and N represent new gene sedimentary rock. Here is the D which show the undivided Devonian rocks, and S represent undivided Silurian rocks. You will also download this PDF for understanding. So click on that one too. Here save this. Save it. You can see that it will also load. Now so waiting for this zip file of South Asia geological maps. After that I will show you that how to prepare geology maps in GIS software. Wait for that. Now the data is almost download. It will take a few seconds. After that we will work on geological map. I will show you how to prepare geological map in GIS software from this data. Now you can see that the data is downloaded. Now go to folder and open this data in folder. Go to downloads, re-download this folder, cut it from here and paste it. Now right click on it and extract file from here. Click on OK. Here you can see that the file is extract. Now open GIS software and add this data to GIS software. To add data and go to E folder, click on D. Here click on that, and this is the geological map shape file. So add that one. Now go to table of content. Table of content, go to properties of that and go to symbology and categories. Now click on geology and add all value. As you can see that the abbreviation which I show you here, these abbreviations are added to GIS, and click on OK. Now you can see that the geological map is prepared. After that you can go to the table of content and see the abbreviations or legends and familiar yourself with that from the PDF file which I show you here. You will download also this one. So Q which show quaternary sediments. Now search in GIS where is the Q. Here you can see that this is Q which show quaternary sediments. Such like that all the abbreviation shows the all type of geological rocks or give us geological information of the map. So I hope you will learn this how to download geological map.